what I've learned from doing astrology for so many years is that nobody's really interested in planets and signs, but rather what we care about is what does it mean? So if you've ever tried learning astrology on your own on the internet, you could get very frustrated with websites that only talk about one planet, Mercury, or one sign, Virgo. And you may also notice that some of these sources contradict each other. And any kind of descriptions that you get could be very vague or very general, doesn't really apply to any specific persons. And also, you may also realize that some of these information is very tidbit and it doesn't really come together into a full interpretation and definitely not something that you can actually use. Hello there, my name is May Sim and I've been a professional astrologer for more than 17 years. I'm also the founder of Selfstrology Academy, Asia's #1 Western astrology school. The school has more than 8 years of history. We've had more than 100 students spanning across 16 countries. But I consider you a serious learner if you want to, #1, decipher the language of astrology. You want to interpret the treasure trove of knowledge in the astrology chart. And #2, you want to apply astrology to practical life because frankly, the planets are quite useless if they don't help you make better decisions in life. And thirdly, that you actually want a structured education from a real professional rather than going online and reading articles written by, well, possibly other hobbyists. So to me, a clever student is one who can read the chart well, but a successful student is one who actually makes a difference to other people's lives. I will see you in class.